Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today's class. Let us continue with the chapter integers. Yes, we had learnt about integers. Do you remember? Integers are the negative numbers and the positive numbers with 0. Is it? So this is called integers. We already learnt about it. Now let us see. Let us see on a number line how to find the successor or the predecessor. Okay. Now this is the number line. On the number line we have got negative numbers, 0. Also we have got the positive numbers. Is it or not? Yes. We have got the negative numbers as well as the positive numbers, also the 0. Now, which is the predecessor of 1? When I tell 1, it is plus 1. Predecessor is 0. Yes. Which is the successor of minus 2? Successor of minus 2 is minus 1. Successor of 3 is 4. Yes. You might have learned this. So, this is the number line. Now, let us see which is the integer which is 3 more than minus 1. Yes, let us see what is the number which is 3 more than minus 1. Now, here is the minus 1. 3 more than minus 1 means we have to move on to the right. When you move on to the right, the value goes on increasing. That is more. When it is more, we will go to the right. When it is less, we move on to the left side. So, 3 more than minus 1 is, let us see, 1, 2 and 3. So, which is the number which is 3 more than minus 1? That is 2. So, 3 more than minus 1 is 2. That is plus 2. Now let us see. Now let us see which is the number, which is the integer, which is 5 less than 3. 5 less than 3. Here is 3, that is plus 3. 5 less than that. So we will have to move on to the left side. So let us see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Which is the number here? Minus 2. So 5 less than 3 is minus 2. Hope you are getting it, children. Now let us see one more. How much is 6 less than 2? That is plus 2. 6 less than 2. Let us count from 2. Let us count to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is the number here? So it is minus 4. Now let us see how much is. Let us see the next one. Let us see how much is 5 more than minus 3. 5 more than minus 3. So from minus 3 we will have to count to the right side because it is more. We will count to the right side. Then 5 more than minus 3. From minus 3 we have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the number here? It is 2. Hope it is clear, children. This is on the number line how to find out which number is greater and which number is lesser. Okay. Now, if an integer, we have negative integers and positive integers. Now, you take plus 3 is added to, it should be added to some number so that we get 0. Or you think a negative integer in the sense minus 8 we can take, can we take, is added to something so that we get 0. Can you tell what can be added there? Yes, of course, the opposite sign of it. If this is a positive integer, if a negative integer is added to a positive integer of same number, we get 0. Yes, here also a negative integer is added to a positive integer of the same number, we get 0. Yes, we call such numbers as additive inverse. Additive inverse. So here additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. I'll show you some more examples. Look here. Can you tell what is the additive inverse of minus 36? Yes, it is plus 36. What is the additive inverse of plus 45? It is minus 45. Yes, hope it is clear, children. Whatever integer is given, change the sign of it, that is the additive inverse of it. Yes, I'll tell you once again, it is additive inverse. Inverse means opposite, okay? Additive inverse. So, additive inverse of any number is opposite sign of that number. Okay? Is it clear now? I hope it is clear. Okay? Now, let us see how to add the integers on a number line. That is addition of integers on a number line. Okay, children, let us see that. To know that, we will have to have a number line. Let us see. Here a number line which has got few of negative integers and few of positive integers. You can write how much ever numbers you want in negative, also in positive. Okay. Now let us see how to add 9 and minus 6. 9 is plus 9 minus 6. 9 and minus 6, how to add? Add. As I told you, when you have to add. Yes, when you have to add, you have to move on to the right side. When you have to subtract, you have to move on to the left side. Yes, now here you have got both the signs here, plus and minus. Whenever you get plus and minus together, you will have to write it as only minus. That is, see here, 9 minus 6. Yes, when you have both the signs together, you will write minus. If it is different sign, that is plus and minus are different, so you will write minus. Suppose you have both are minus, here also minus, here also minus, then it will become a plus. Here now, let us see first this. Here in the number line, you don't have 9 now. Let me extend the number line. How to extend? You can erase and make it negative numbers lesser than that. Then you can extend it. Now I take it only minus 2, minus 1, 0. Then I'll include some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So we need 9. So I have extended the number line to 9. 9 minus 6. 9. First we will go move on to 9 here. That is plus 9. Minus 6. No need to go to minus 6. You have to come backwards. That is to the left side. 6 steps. Do you remember? 6 steps. Let us come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, we have come to 3. 9 minus 6 is 3 plus 3. Yes? Did you get it? Now, let us see another example. Five plus 4. Let us see 5 plus 4. How to add 5 plus 4 in the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So, let us move on to first to 5. Where is 5 here? Here it is 5. Okay. Because it is plus and plus here, we can write it as 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, of course, you know it is 9. So, from 5, if you go 4 steps forward, that is to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you have reached here. It is 9. What we have got here. Yes, I will show you some with negative numbers. Okay, negative integers we will see. One more example I will show you. Negative integers. That is minus 3 is added to minus 2. How much do you get when minus 3 is added to minus 2? Okay. Let me write the numbers here. Four, 5 and 6. Okay. So here first the number is minus 3 here. So let us see the number here. It is minus 3 here. Then as I told you, there are both the symbols here, plus and minus. So it will be minus. So minus 3 minus 2. Did you understand why did I write minus? When you have plus and minus here together, you have to write it as minus. Suppose you have minus and minus, you can write it as plus. Suppose you have plus and plus, you can write it as plus. When the symbol is different, you have to write it as minus. Okay. Now minus 3 we have reached here. From minus 3, after that what is the symbol? Minus. So you will have to move back to the left side. How many steps we have to move? 2 steps we have to move. So 1 here and 2 here. So the number is minus 5. What is minus 3 minus 2? Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Are you getting it, children? So this is the way we add the integers on a number line. It can be any number. The number can be negative or positive. Any integer you can add it on a number line. Yes, there are limitations of number line because we can't write the bigger numbers on a number line. Let us see one more example. 5 minus of minus 4. Yes. Now look here. Here we have this 5 is plus 5. Okay. Here is plus 5. Here both are minus. Symbol is both are minus symbol. So we will write it as 5 plus 4. Are you getting it? Because both are minus, we can write it as plus 4. Here it is not enough. As we have already done, 5 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 9. Let me show you. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Look here, from 5, 4 steps forward when we go, we reach 9. So, answer is 9. Yes? One more I will show you. That is minus 1 minus, minus 4. Now look here, minus 1 as it is, minus 1 is here, yes we have reached here. Minus and minus both are same symbol, so you will put a place plus 4. Yes. Now from minus 1 we have to move, because it is plus sign, we have to move forward, that is to the right side. How many steps we have to move? 4 steps. See, look here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the answer is plus 3. The answer is plus 3. Hope it is clear, children. This is the method of addition of integers on a number line. Yes. Now we had learnt about additive inverse. Yes, we learned about additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse is opposite sign of the number. That is, if it is minus 12, plus 12 is the additive inverse of it. Same way, if it is plus 15, minus 15 is its additive inverse. Also, we learned about addition of integers on a number line. Yes, this is a smaller chapter. That's it. This chapter is integers. You will learn more in your 7th standard. More detail about integers, addition and subtraction, everything in detail. Okay. In today's class, so we have learned about additive inverse, also of addition of integers on a number line. Hope it is clear, children. By this we have finished this chapter. We will continue with the next chapter, that is in first semester itself. One more chapter is left out, that we will continue in our next session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.